it's so good. Oh, one more.
Two more.
Two more. Not my name.
That wasn't me. We didn't chuck anything though.
Well, you did cook us and told us, so if you like to.
Apparently we took the ball over. Yeah. Josh. There was this guy here. Because I was going to buy a ball for my brother for his birthday. That wasn't us though, man. No, so I go back and DM on.
Go ahead. So, what are you saying? We'll stay outside.
Okay.
I said, was it the actual pizza? It's like,
I'll record. Bro, I thought you were gonna go in the thing.
Where? No.
They've actually called the police.
There's police. Right. This is great, guys. Police cars. Yeah, another one's pulling as well. Nah.
was it all by Sainsbury's?
I don't know. Oh, is that? Oh my God! There's another one.
Where?
Literally there.
What?
I don't think it's for us.
What do you mean?
Why are they going to Sainsbury's and not in Sainsbury's?
Because they're probably trying to look for us, man.
Just stay here.
Simon. Yeah.
We just chill here for a bit. You can actually play Fortnite. What? Can you actually download it? Freddie, they're not gonna come in it.
Yeah.
Jamie,
That's a police radio.
that's not. It's an airplane, mate.
No, that's not.
Go on. Well, what is it then? Steve?
I am sorry about earlier. Nah, basically.
It's a present.
Surely not, all the way there.
I literally will just walk this.
stripping.
Last time you come in, okay? Come back in and I will physically remove you. Huh? Not assault. Not assault. I've given him multiple chances to leave. He's not left my private property, so I can physically remove him. This. Yeah.
It just didn't know.
Any movement, I'll physically remove it.
Just didn't hurt at all, by the way. Oh my god, I got on CCTV. 4K.
Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I couldn't do an intro because like loads of stuff happened, but you know, like we got kicked out of the shop multiple times. That guy pushed me, like rammed his fingers into my shoulder blade as he pushed me out. You know, we've done a lot of air horns around the shop. We've done the screaming in shops, well, in the toilets in the shops. About 10 police cars came in total. Mad night, yeah. Next video, we're gonna get some fart spray in Maryhill. If you want to see that, get some lights, boys. In a bit.